welcome back to my channel. You're watching Rituja Madke, and in this video, what's lined up? I'm going to tell you that what happened with me when I went to a doctor for my eye checkup. So I was with my father. I went to an ophthalmologist, and so he started gradually asking me some questions like, what is your name? To build a rapido, which we medical students are usually asked to build a rapido with patients. The same way he started building a rapido. So he asked me, what is your name? What is your age? And what do you do? What do you do? And then my father said, she's a medical student. And he was like, huh? Yes, I was like, yes, MBBS student. So he asked me in which year you are. So I told him that I am in second year. So he was like, okay, you must have been completed with your anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry, na? He said that, and I was like, yes, I have completed with that. And what are the subject for your second year? Then I told him that pharmacology, pathology, and microbiology are basically the subjects of second year for me. He was like, oh yes. And then he started gradually asking me question all of sudden, yaar. He asked me that what are the structures parts which you passed. Sorry. He started asking me the questions of first year. And then he first asked me that what are the structures which passes to foramen ovale. I was like, sir, MALE is a structure which passes through foramen ovale. This is actually a mnemonic, and through E it is emissary veins, but I am unable to recall the another MAL. So he was like, okay. And then he asked me that tell me the 12 cranial nerves name, and I was like, I told everything, but I messed up with the sequence of 10 and 11. So he was like, okay, you messed up with 10 and 11. आपने उल्टा पुल्टा बोल दिया उसको. I was like, ठीक है sir, sorry. And then he asked me that what is the nerve supply for your superior rectus and inferior rectus, all the muscles of the eyes. I was like, what should I be saying? I am here for an eye checkup, not for giving viva. Are you understanding this, doctor? I am here for an eye checkup. You better check my eyes, not my intelligence. Bro, यार बताए आप ले भी लो मेरा वाइवा, but take this in front of my batchmates. Viva is supposed to be taken in front of your batchmates, not in front of your family. Now this time I was with my father. What would my father be thinking of? इतना ही आता है मेरे बच्चे को. And then he asked me a lot of questions. The doctor, I was able to answer some of them, and I was not able to answer few. So seeing that, my father was like, okay, at least he's giving answers. Then in the last, when everything just his it was like he was fed up from me by asking questions. He said, okay, nice, do study, because this is the only time which you will get for studying. Enjoy your first year, second year, all the years, but along with that you need to study. I was like, yes sir, I will study. And now he was trying to console my father that yes, she is going nice. If she do study the same way she is studying right now, she would be very nice doctor. I was like, thank you so much that you said this. I was waiting for this. My father was instantly light up. Yes, मेरी बच्ची पढ़ाई करेगी. She would be a good doctor. Yes. But the thing was, which was the thing which I didn't like was, why would you take my viva in front of my father, in front of my family? Why? And here I was for just a night checkup. I was not prepared. अगर आप मुझे बता देते दैट यू शुड हैव बीन स्टडीड अबाउट योर आईज, देन आई वुड हैव बीन स्टडीड. मैं कुछ पढ़ के आती ना, देन यू आस्क मी एनीथिंग, I would have revised entire anatomy of eyes, the nerve supply, the arterial supply, everything. So I recommend you that whenever you go to any doctor, maybe MD medicine, to an ophthalmologist, to a general physician, to a surgeon, anyone, to an orthologist, or maybe gynec, or maybe skin specialist, make sure that you study. Please make sure that you study. That's very important. क्योंकि आपके साथ आपके घर वाले होते हैं, उनके सामने आपकी बेइज्जती नहीं होनी चाहिए. So better you study about it, about the most probable diagnosis which you are thinking. Please study at least of that. That day I was like, sir, please leave me alone. I am here for a night checkup. Please don't check my intelligence here. I've passed my first year. Now I am in second year. I am hardly able to recall anything of my first year. Please, please help me. This was my inner emotions, but I could not tell them in front of him, right? So leaving this aside, I have completed with my second internals. I have my prelims in just a few days. Less than 10 days are remaining for my prelims. I need to study about it. But I am here for studying only. But I'm not studying. I don't feel like to study today. That's why I'm filming this. And you know I love being on camera, right? So the inner kid in me was telling me that yes, you should make one video today. So I made it. That's it. And I have to study of microbiology also. That's the most hated subject of me in second year. Because मुझे समझता ही नहीं यार वो organisms that microorganisms, that parasites and fungi and bacteria and viruses. ये इतने छोटे दिखते भी नहीं यार. इस अगार में देखो, उस अगार में देखो, ब्लड अगार में देखो, मैकॉम के अगार में देखो, वो पोटाशियम टेरोलाइट में देखो, सिलेक्टिव मीडिया यूज़ करो, एंड देन ग्रीन कलर कॉलोनीज एंड ब्लैक कलर कॉलोनीज विद द डॉट इन इट, स्टेफाइलोकोकस, स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस, सैल्मोनेला टाइफी, विब्रियो कोलेरी. ओ माय गॉड, ओ माय गॉड, ओ माय गॉड, आई कांट टेक इट. Why am I laughing? I'm laughing on my situation. I also have to study of pharma and of patho also. But I think it's very difficult to study micro. Pharma और patho तो मैं कर लूँगी. Like करना ही पड़ेगा, अब ऑप्शन नहीं है. I need to study of them. But micro I don't like यार. And everyone says read Apurva Shastri, Apurva Shastri, Apurva Shastri. I only know what I'm reading, whether I'm reading Apurva Shastri or not. I can't reveal it on camera because what will happen if I say that document name from which I am learning and my junior sees it. मेरे juniors को लेगा यार ये मैम पढ़ती नहीं कुछ, बेटा मैं वैसे भी नहीं पढ़ती. Yeah, I surely don't read Apurva Shastri, but I have to start one reading now because UT में Apurva Shastri तो पढ़नी ही पड़ेगी, right? Otherwise I won't get marks, right? That was it, I think. What is the other thing which I want to tell you? Nothing. It's just that कि prelims होंगे and भाई हमारे साथ ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ. आज जूनियर्स उनके एग्ज़ाम स्टार्ट होने वाले थे फ्रॉम 4th of August. फ्रॉम 1st of August. और उनके एग्ज़ाम शिफ्ट हो गए एंड नाउ दे आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 4th of September. Very nice na. Like 1 month gap they got. Very nice. और हमारे शिफ्ट नहीं हुए. I don't hope for this also because हम जैसा भी सोचेंगे ना वैसा उल्टा ही होता है. So better study and किसी से होप्स रखने भी नहीं है because I don't think MUHS will shift our peoples also. I just hope somehow I complete. I just hope that all my exam would go very nice, and when after prelims I would be making a new video, and at that I will be telling you my experience of my prelims, and I think it would be great. I hope it would be great. बट जैसी मेरी पढ़ाई चल रही है उससे तो लगता नहीं ग्रेट होगा. बट आई वुड स्टडी. आई विल हैव टू. कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है मेरे पास स्टडी के अलावा. दैट्स इट. एंड देन व्हाट इज द थिंग? नथिंग. हाँ, आई ऑल्सो वांटेड टू टेल यू दैट हमारे जो सेकेंड ईयर के जो यूनिवर्सिटी पेपर्स है that are scheduled in between of Ganpati festival. यार, what the hell? Don't you want to celebrate the Ganpati festival? You MUHS? हमें भी, हमारे पास भी दिल है यार. We also like to celebrate the festival. और पता है जब महालक्ष्मी, sorry, it's like my Marathi tone comes in between. I will in हिंदी. जब महालक्ष्मी जी का आह्वान होगा, आई डोंट नो, सॉरी. और पता है जब महालक्ष्मी जी घर पर आएंगी, दैट इज द लास्ट डे ऑफ आवर पेपर्स. लाइक हु कीप्स द पेपर इन बिटवीन फेस्टिवल यार? इट्स MUHS. इट्स MUHS. पहले ले लेते ना यार पेपर, बाद में क्यों लेना है? या फिर बाद में ले लेते गणपति के बाद में. बट नो, दे हैव टू ruin our festival by studying day and night when everyone would be celebrating with their families the Ganpati festival. We the medical students will be studying. I know Ganpati Bappa would also like us to see studying, but he would also like us to enjoy, right? I don't know. So that's it for the day. I don't have anything much to talk, and I think अगर आपको मेरी बकवास पसंद आई हो तो धन्यवाद. नहीं पसंद आई तो आई एम सॉरी. I won't be able to entertain you right now much more because I'm ending this video. Bye bye.